Hello everyone and welcome to Shifting Gears, and with me I have the Yamaha Fasino hybrid scooter. I personally really like the matte black paint option with gold wheels. I think the Fasino looks striking in that shade. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the design, about the features and just how good this scooter is for your family's scooter requirements. इस स्कूटर के लिए हमने एक अलग से राइड वीडियो अपलोड किया है, so do check it out. You will get to know everything about the engine, the performance and the ride and handling package of this Fasino hybrid scooter. Now, first, let me tell you everything about the dimensions of the scooter. The biggest highlight of this scooter is the curb weight. The Fasino hybrid weighs just at 99 kilograms, and that makes it a very light and likable 125cc scooter. The overall length is 1920 millimeters, width is 685 millimeters and height is 1150 millimeters. इस स्कूटर के साथ आपको 780 millimeters की सीट हाइट मिल जाती है. The wheelbase is 1280 millimeters. The ground clearance is 145 millimeters. You get a 5.2 liter fuel tank capacity and you get a 21 liter under seat storage capacity. Now this is a hybrid scooter, but are there any hybrid parts which you will notice easily? Not really. The only major change which you will notice is the cutout in the floorboard section. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो cutout आपको दिख रहा है, the scooter's battery has been tucked in underneath and the battery pack is a maintenance free unit, so you don't really have to check the water levels in that battery pack and it can stay over here and you will not have to worry about it. It is very nicely positioned and that lid is also nicely secure. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका पैर लग के ये जो lid है it is going to pop open, so you don't have to worry about it because it has been screwed over there. Now let's talk about the features. सामने से जब आप इस Yamaha Fasino hybrid scooter को देख लेते हो, you will notice that you get full LED headlamps. You get LED DRLs and you get a primary LED headlamp over here. But the headlamp throw is just about average, और जब आप इस स्कूटर को रात को चलाने वाले हो, the difference between low beam and high beam is negligible. The only major difference that you will notice when you do that is the blue indicator of that high beam activation on the speedometer cluster. The road illumination is just okay. I would say that अगर आप इस स्कूटर को रात को चलाने वाले हो, just leave the high beam on. You are not going to dazzle the oncoming traffic. It is just going to give you that extra bit of road illumination. Front apron को जब आप देख लेते हो, you will notice that the variant that we have today has this dual tone finish. You get chrome accents on the front apron to give it a nice premium touch. You get turn indicators on the front apron. The turn indicators are not of the LED type. And then you have this Yamaha logo, this rubberized logo on the front apron. This is a plastic piece. This is not a painted piece, but it has a textured finish to it. And you have this number plate mount over here on the front apron. And you can also notice that the headlamp also gets this chrome bezel, adds a nice sense of premiumness to this Fasino hybrid. Lower down, आप देख सकते हो इस स्कूटर के मडगार्ड पे आपको बॉडी कलर्ड पैनल मिल रहा है एंड यू हैव दीज decals एज वेल. मडगार्ड पे ये जो आप UBS का स्टिकर देख रहे हो, दिस मीन्स यूनिफाइड ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम, विच मीन्स कॉम्बी ब्रेक्स. इस स्कूटर के साथ आपको ABS नहीं मिल रहा है एंड दिस मडगार्ड बाय द वे इज अ metal piece. This is not a plastic panel. Lower down you can notice you get black painted alloy wheels. Alloy wheels पे आपको एक contrasting rim stripe भी नजर आएगी. You get a disc brake setup with this Yamaha Fasino hybrid scooter and you get Nissin disc brake calipers with this hybrid scooter. Tires जो हैं they are of the tubeless type. You are getting Maxxis tires. And these tires by the way are of the 90-90-12 type, यानी कि आपको 12 इंच का व्हील मिल रहा है स्कूटर के साथ. एंड एज यू कैन नोटिस आपको इस स्कूटर के साथ एक टेलीस्कोपिक फ्रंट फोक भी मिल रहा है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओवरऑल डिजाइन, द बिगेस्ट हाईलाइट इज द rear end section of this Fasino hybrid. You can notice that this scooter gets a speed tail kind of a design, if I can actually call it that way. And you will notice that it tapers off towards the rear end and it looks unique or maybe a little quirky, but it has its own unique identity. There is no other scooter जो इस तरह से आपको नजर आएगी out on the Indian streets. साइड पैनल्स पे आपको फसीनो की ब्रांडिंग नजर आएगी. देयर इज नो 125cc ब्रांडिंग विच यू विल नोटिस ऑन दिस साइड पैनल. दिस बाय द वे इज अ फाइबर पीस. You get contrasting decals on the side panel. This is not at all overdone और ये काफ़ी classy नज़र आता है. Then on the side panel you will also notice this chrome accent. Again adds a sense of premiumness. And then you will notice this seat. The seat also gets a dual tone finish. लेकिन ये जो seat का color है, I don't really like it. I think this is going to get dirty very easily and you will have to struggle hard to keep it clean so that it looks good. ये जो pillion grab rail है, you can notice you get it in this silver finish. Tail end section पे आपको एक LED tail lamp मिल रहा है and you also have that rubberized Yamaha logo. Just have a look at the tail lamp. This is how it illuminates and like I mentioned, इस स्कूटर के साथ आपको LED turn indicators नहीं मिलते हैं. टेल सेक्शन पे ये जो आपको रियर स्प्लैश गार्ड मिल रहा है, यू गेट रिफ्लेक्टर्स फॉर लैटरल विजिबिलिटी और आपको यहाँ पे भी एक और रिफ्लेक्टर मिल रहा है फॉर टाइम्स व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग दिस at night so that you are noticed by other road users. The exhaust pipe is completely finished in black. Heat shield जो है, this is also completely finished in black. This is a plastic piece. The rear alloy wheel also gets those contrast rim stripes. This again of course is a tubeless tire and it is a 12-inch unit. And then you will notice that on the left hand side you have the engine of this Fasino hybrid, but there is nothing hybrid about what you can see over here. You also get a kickstarter if your battery is down, and this is the suspension unit of this Fasino hybrid scooter. Pillion foot peg जो है, इस पे आपको rubberized finish मिल जाती है so that the pillion gets that extra bit of grip. And when you activate the side stand of this Fasino hybrid scooter, आपके स्कूटर की engine जो है वो बंद हो जाएगी. Looking at the section under the handlebar, you have your primary keyhole. You have a luggage hook over here, very easy to access, but there is no glove compartment over here. You have the Fasino branding. You have textured plastic panels, and you can notice that there is decent amount of room for your feet to be positioned over here. When you want to open the seat, just twist the key and this is the amount of space that you get. आप देख सकते हो टूल्स जो हैं वो यहाँ पे सीट पे काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से पोजीशन किए गए हैं एंड आई थिंक दिस स्पेस विल इजीली अकोमोडेट योर हाफ फेस हेलमेट. फ्यूल फिलर कैप जो है वो सीट के नीचे ही है बाय द वे, सो यू विल हैव टू गेट ऑफ योर स्कूटर एंड refuel it. There is not that convenient external fuel filler cap option with this Fasino hybrid. और चैसी प्रिंट जो है वो यहाँ पे काफ़ी आसानी से आपको नज़र आएगी. सो इफ एट टाइम्स यू वांट टू मेक नोट ऑफ दिस, this is very easily readable. The next thing that I want to talk about is the handlebar section. You can notice that it is fairly modern. यहाँ पे आपको एक बटन मिल जाता है which is not really the kill switch, but this button is for the auto start stop functionality of this Fasino hybrid scooter. इस स्कूटर के साथ आपको LED DRLs तो मिल रहे हैं, but you can manually turn the headlamp on or off. That is up to you. And then the switch gear is pretty much standard. Handlebar पे भी आपको ये textured plastic panel मिल रहा है and you have this silver finish bezel around your digital speedometer cluster. Now talking about the speedometer cluster, you have a digital tachometer, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई marking नहीं है. There are no numbers mentioned over here when you are riding the scooter. You have a digital speed readout and you get a trip meter, a single trip meter and odometer. That is it. And along with that you have a couple of telltale lights. यहाँ पे आपको fuel efficiency data नहीं नज़र आता है. You also do not get distance to empty displayed over here. But if you are buying the higher variants of the Yamaha Fasino hybrid, you do get Bluetooth connectivity, but most of that data is going to be shown to you on your smartphone and nothing that you can consume on the go on this display screen. So this is pretty average, and I think Yamaha can do a better job of offering a more comprehensive digital speedometer cluster with this Fasino hybrid scooter. Now let's talk about ergonomics. मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches and let me hop on the scooter. So check this out. I have both my feet flat on the ground and there is a lot of room for the rider to move around. and the seat is nice and wide in the center section, so this is going to offer you good comfort. I have a shoe size 9 and you can notice there is reasonable room to move my feet as well in the floorboard section. लेकिन floorboard का ये जो हिस्सा है, this is raised a little, so this is not going to be very comfortable, but this is acceptable. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, मैंने आपको बताया था फ्लोरबोर्ड सेक्शन पे जो आपको बैटरी कटआउट मिल रहा है, it doesn't really interfere when you are riding the scooter, so you don't really have to think about it too much, and you can easily wash your scooter. Nothing is going to be damaged, because if you pop that open, there is again another cover over your primary battery, so you are not really going to damage your battery or soak it in water. Now for my height, I think this Yamaha Fasino hybrid scooter is good enough, and I have had no problems throughout my review ride experience. I have ridden it for more than 150 kilometers and this was just about okay. The ergonomics are perfect and the quality of switch gear is also acceptable. इस Fasino hybrid scooter के साथ ये जो आपको mirrors मिल रहे हैं, you can notice you get chrome accents over here, and the design mimics the tail end section of the scooter, that speed tail kind of a design, or you can call it a leaf shaped design, whatever you would like to call it. The viewing range that you get from these mirrors could have been better, but that might be nitpicking for some people. इस स्कूटर की खासियत मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है, is the curb weight, and if I have to put it on main stand, check this out. It is very easy. The scooter is very light, so because of this you can share this scooter with all of your family members. So अगर आपके फैमिली में बुजुर्ग लोग हैं जिन्हें एक स्कूटर चलानी है, they can very easily manage this. You can buy this scooter for your kids who want to go to their college on this and have a good time, or you can just use the scooter for typical household stuff, which almost everyone does. That is the primary purpose of scooters currently here in the Indian market. People are not buying scooters to have fun, they are buying it for convenience, and I think Yamaha has done a decent job of offering you a package which is fun yet very likable and very sensible. So do check out our ride review video where we tell you why you should buy this Fasino hybrid over competition, because it does ride well. See you soon guys. If you have any other queries about this Fasino hybrid, do ask me. I will try my best to help you out, to help you understand this product better. इस स्कूटर के साथ by the way आप एक USB charging point भी as an accessory fit कर सकते हो in that storage section under the seat, so you can have your smartphone charged on the go. So that's about it. Goodbye. Ride safe. Always wear your helmets and just don't overspeed when you're on a scooter. Understand the limitations of a scooter and ride it safely.